HobbyKidsVids.
Oh, look at this. I found a tiny, that was a tiny Orbeez.
Where'd it go?
Oh, wow, it's tiny. Hey, HobbyKids.
Oh, that one is a tiny one.
Oh, that's me.
What color is that?
Yeah.
What color is this?
Red, I think. Like a pinkish red.
Yeah, it's pinkish red. You like it, Hobby Bear?
Yeah, that's.
Is it neat?
Oh,
Pretty neato, huh?
Oh, good. It's getting the dirty grass.
Yeah.
Hey, look, a birdie.
Where's the birdie? Way over there.
Oh, boy.
You guys see the birdie? Give a thumbs up if you guys can see the little birdie. Oh, yeah, I see the birdie.
Oh, I can see. Oh, feed him. There's an Orbeez.
Oh, he's gonna scare the birdie away. Oh, he's trying to say hi. Did it get scared away?
And we're gonna make some Orbeez.
Yeah, I'll be.
Whoa!